Hindustan Aeronautics will integrate the ELM-2052 airborne AESA radar system on one of the two limited-series production Tejas Mark I fighter jet, which was originally procured for the Darren 3 upgrade program for the Jaguar strike aircraft, as the company has decided to test many of the features and equipments of the Tejas Mark Ia variant, like dual-rack pylons, external self-protection jammer pod and new smart multifunction displays, before the first aircraft is ready for first flight by 2023. The deal for 83 Tejas Mark Ia fighter jets is likely to happen by end of this year, and many defense analysts have expressed concern that it might slip further due to the current economic situation. The Indian Army has announced an emergency procurement of light air transportable tanks, and the previous preliminary General Staff qualitative requirements mentioned the need for 300 light tanks fitted with a 105mm or 120mm cannon, and the defensive suites should offer protection against laser thermal and radar-guided projectiles and also offer NBC protection. As far as the US is concerned, its ground forces will receive 12 pre-production prototypes from two manufacturers, General Dynamics Land Systems and the BAE Systems, and one company will be finally selected in 2022 for eventual construction of 504 light tanks. The K-21 105mm light tank developed jointly by Belgium and South Korea comes with a unique capability of 42 degrees angle of fire and weighs only 25 tons, and has a better armor protection than the Russian Sprit SDM lightweight tank on offer. The production facility of Larsen and Toubro will be idle after completing the remaining 49 K9 howitzers by the end of this year, and the local production of the K-21 at this facility will also be a boost to the private sector. It is to be noted that the Russian army had rejected further orders for the Sprit SDM-1 tanks after inducting only 24 units, and a new light airborne tank is currently under development. The Swedish CV-90 120mm light tank is air transportable and weighs approximately 32 tons, and apart from some stealth features with low radar acoustic and infrared signature, it has all the defensive suites and NBC protection required by the Indian Army, and its modular armor can also be configured to various levels of protection. As the direct import of 93,895 CAR816 carbines from a UAE firm will now be decided in the next DAC meeting in August, India must look towards the various options offered by its local industry. The Indian Army has already signed a contract with the Indo-Israeli joint venture firm PLR Systems for the fast-track procurement of 16,479 Negev light machine guns, and the company has recently announced that it will start the local production of the new Carmel and Arad rifles of Israel. India's private sector firm SSS Defence has successfully developed the P72 family of carbines, and replacing the CAR816 with the P72 would give a big boost to the Indian defence industry and the Make in India claim of the Modi government. Bharat Forge and European company Thales has offered the local production of F-90 carbines, at the same price offered by the UAE-based company Caracal International. India's Hughes Precision has a manufacturing capacity of 7 million rounds a year, and has also bid for the Indian Army tender for 4.34 million rounds, and has also received orders from Russia, UAE and Czech Republic. The Indian Navy has started a major naval exercise with several Indian destroyers, frigates, submarines as well as P-8 maritime patrol aircraft equipped with Harpoon Block II anti-ship systems and Mark 54 lightweight torpedoes near the strategic Malacca Strait, through which 80% of China's oil and other trade passes. After a US senator had proposed to buy the S-400 system from Turkey, Russia has expressed concern about the safety of S-400 data, and Turkey has now assured Russia that the data of the S-400 system will not be compromised. The Turkish procurement of S-400 system was not well received by the US, and it has been desperately trying to get sensitive information about the S-400 air defense system.